Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be asking you on the 10 topics you find difficult in your JAMB, okay? And I'm focusing on your JAMB physics, your JAMB chemistry, and your JAMB maths, okay? So I've done a Google form, so I'm going to drop the link. I need you to fill that form. Tell me those 10 topics on each of these subjects, your physics, your maths, your chemistry, that you find most difficult in, okay, you don't really understand, so that I can create videos, okay, to focus on those topics for you. And I'm also going to be doing intensive tutorials on our Facebook group on those topics for you, okay? And if you don't know about our Facebook group yet, or you've not joined, I'm also going to drop the link of the Facebook group tutorials on the video description box below, okay? So you just join, and I'm going to add you on the group, okay? And we're going to be starting that tutorial on the Facebook group on the 1st of February, intensive tutorials on those particular difficult topics that you're going to fill. So I need you to fill this form so you can direct me, so I don't just do videos for you, okay, that you already know, okay? So just I need that direction from you. It's like feedback. I need that feedback from tell me the most difficult topics you find in those subjects, so that I can focus on that and do intensive tutorials, solve a lot of past questions on it, so you find it easy, okay? If this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials, an educational channel on YouTube where we support students with free maths and physics videos, okay, math tricks, several videos. We support you in your JAMB, your WAEC, your NECO, your junior WAEC, name it, your GCE, your WATS, and also your post-UME. After you finish your JAMB, we support you. There's several videos on post-UMEs here on the channel. And make sure you please click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe. There's no payment. Just click the subscribe button to support us to grow more, okay? Okay, so let's grow this channel. Please encourage me to do more by clicking the subscribe button, and also sharing this channel with your friends, family, your loved ones, giving this video a thumbs up, as it helps promote this video on YouTube. And also comment if you have questions, comment if you want to say thank you, fine, comment. Please make sure you do all this, as it promotes engagement on these videos, promotes it on YouTube. It helps to grow this channel. Please, I need your support, please, okay? And I just recently uploaded a video which will help you in prepping, okay? This is the JAMB 20 math prep, okay? This is for the solved 2019 JAMB math solved, okay? Complete 40 plus questions, solve and explain. So you can check that video out. It's going to help you in your preparation, okay? So this is the form that you're going to fill, okay? And just put in your email address, then your answer listed, your 10 topics you have difficulty in: JAMB maths, in JAMB physics, JAMB chemistry, then also other topics, okay? Let's say biology. Just put, this is also for me to know maybe in the future if I want to prepare other videos, all right? So also put this in any subject, accounts, commerce, just put this in. You list your 10 topics you have difficulty in other JAMB subjects, okay? And I also put a reminder of the video that I just uploaded. That's the JAMB maths prep, which you could also watch, okay? And this is the link to the Facebook group, okay? You can I'm going to share the link to this form. This is a Google form which you fill, so I'll share the link to this. You can copy this link, and or just click on the link to join the group, all right? And also share this link, the Facebook group where we'll be having our tutorials to your friends, family, and loved ones. All right, so that's all for now. Thank you for staying tuned, and I'm going to leave you with this, that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win.